In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play both sides on chess.com using both mobile and PC. This is perfect if you want to practice, analyze positions, or play against yourself. That being said, before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by either opening up the chess.com app or opening up chess.com and staying on the homepage. Essentially, just go ahead and look over in this section right here and hover over learn first. If you do have the option in learn for analysis, go ahead and open it up. If not, hit more, go to train, and you'll see analysis in here. Go ahead and select that, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and select something like new analysis or new room if you already have one opened up, or you could just hit new all the way down here. Open this up, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and in this board you can actually move both the white and the black pieces freely. As you can see, I can do them just like so. Obviously I have to move my white piece before I can move this one, but you get the point. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you can play both sides here on chess.com on mobile and PC. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.